Welcome to our channel Genzual Education. Today topic is about staying positive while waiting for your results. If you are feeling nervous or worried, this video is especially for you. There are only 2 days left for the result. During this time, many students may feel fear, worry, and stress. But remember, there is no need to be afraid. Believe that whatever happens will be good. Positive thinking is the greatest state in life. The result is good. Be happy and thankful. Even if it's not as expected, do not be disappointed. One paper or one exam doesn't decide your entire future. Life is a long journey and it's just one step. Failure is not the end, it is the lesson towards success. And to check your result, you can go Google and search in college info Nepal and show the result with your GPA. Thank you, you all the SE, FED student, and best of luck for your future generation.